ekisajja temukinonya aba bantu nitwe turi kubabiha tukaboreka ngo kiryoke okisha kikagenda amanya byakatorize nkahi omushaija nawe amanya ngo niwe ari omu maka
mbeshikahora ngo nabari nabaraza ari kunywa cyayi
kashikunda ateke namweta namujangori akagenda yenju neyanje abana bunye naha nabanje yijewe shitamire atwena naza kufuna atobukakafu obukoreka ngo riya niwe mukama wenju so ekisha mukirugeho mukwato gukazi gwe ngo gwabitebye kandi akakaba kamanyiro karengaho wano mangu ekane yo mushinja wano ukora vorongoto yawe gendo kikorokwe then mushaya yajangwa kareka ngo abana bakururaho ngo warayine ababanda nanabe nabo bondo nyina bunda kabakoroza so omushinja yaye kunganya yakutahe kitinisa kikwingana kityo yakoreka yaja itizoke konka abana banje bakurura hatu watandika kushomba kureta kuteko kutomunjiye akako nkabaka bakaringa
amazima bambenshi bacarenga abo kati norete wazi bahika na kureta uruciko rw'ecaro ukashanga cyashe sanguna n'abashija abibire habakazi babo bambe babaryo mu ruciko ukasitura office ya ababasirikare bo kushangana bakora nshonga z'amaka njimayisa nchibacarenga njimayisi mwe nkabakundine mukacigambaho carema mwazo mbanywani carema mwazo banyabuzare n'abazire cyayanga mwe ntatwajuti tinchine kinde kusherekera deka mwe nutugendo mbantu nshinje mayinsa ngucarenga kandi abakazi ninjire mwe tibiri mu buhangwa bwitu nicinshobera kushanga mukazi wa leta mushija omunju yaterama wazarama abana babiri esoriya na ngo akari umushomeza atanamboza hiyabiragira bokakagire gukora so mwe ninjira tibiri mu buhangwa bwitu nubishwaza na so tereke kubyesa
temba basi
ukazayo iyo haceri
nintemba basi ninzayo ibiro bibiri cyakashatu ningaruka ninga ni mugambira ntu weekend jikangomuka yego hako ara ore kanga yo mwezi gwo kubanza gwa kabiro gwa kashatu gwa mushanju omwaka ntabasa kuba hempinduka bashija mwe nimwe mwe kwateme ngwe mukiteka teke kumara omwaka gwona nokorra hari ya busiye Rwanye nimbarra tokagira munangwa weeks nkibiro kajot kantaragaze ko mukandebe byabireho mazima rwasa kushanga ibintu byahindukire kandi twabumwe kugira ngo tutugabana mu nju tugende tuze hare kitugumera ngo gendo shwerwe nkahando tugaho bwana bubiri naco ncanga so mwe kunkwena nkunda kabutsugaho umwujo mweta hata yija kumanari
ngabira bano anko yija futaya ya mona
sirwe ko kamwe na merwizoba ikibiti kisherekwa istekwa kugira muheru yetantare Gideon sebo orireje abarunjabo katutegereze turebe ekibara kugamba habo kuba wabashire tumanya ngo harimo muramwa gwamani
Wemnonga sisa chache na Jemima ni wo muri bwa TV wese orirota amazina nisenyomo Gideon ndiaho murembo rambara enshonga chate okweshanza necho story yargaho ncho chituru muno maizo baryengeche kare ntutera karuru na mnonga karengora LC1 akarura kabachara that's a local council urungura abachara kandi abachara umyanya tari emwe nemwe nibabeta abana bachara bana bachana bakora muri muki bana bachana bakora imirimo nkeje wareba no garkansa amaka no kumurzeka nebindi nke bitakusibize ndika indiyo muri Kirehe aho murembo rambarara umurimbara City South Division nyine bamwe ombebembeza abantu benda entebeje na manonga Madam Sara ako bakarurukanye cyakareba na bishatu nibo electoral commission yatira hekirecho kureba ngo akaruraka katero nyina twake Madam Sara na munonga nje kutuganira na munongi wo mucyarari yokwe wagamba akamanyiro musore ryagenda na Madam Sara sabire yagirebera ukatumwakire atonge turamusya atuganire na munonga ko mucyara abo acyashime kuba ni ejumba omukaruru Madam Sara orirota o live TV Western chat kwa musya barebi na nishonga karura kanyica kare abo acyo mucyara ashimikwa na kejumba
mazina nibanyeta Kemirembe Sara iyo no mushija nabana mbwe ninkorofayinga kuba n'abacyara karura kanyica nimbanza nsima TV West nsima is ekitongore cya EC kuterezo mugisha nitwa aba opposition bikirize batunominatinga ecyo kikunyikiriza kuba n'abacyara wa Kirehe seru
wano gamba opposition no mindset
ndio wa PFF People Front for Freedom nishangire ni nkorofayinga achibinecho kuba n'abacyara wakirehe akuba emyaka ngishikize nyihandikise kandi niyo mukazi oine omushaija n'abaana akaruru akanyenkyakare itwekirehe tuketebekanisize munonga kandi abakazi betebekanise akuba mbarabiremu nabagambira eshonga zanje bwaci nabo bampuririza
eshonga nizo zihezo namunonga twera munonga kumwe wa TV wese kujya kuzimanya no kwetebekanisa
eshonga za n'abacyara kugarkanisa amaka icyo bakweta ngo ni counseling abakazi ahansi aha bine bizibu byinshi stress kandi counseling ninje basa ninza kubaha counseling akuba ntwire nabo museru namaramo emyaka sofa 20 burushonda ninjimanya ebizibu byamwe nimbimanya na nyinyi n'omushaija makana nagamaramo emyaka etari hansi 15 amakani ngetegereza counseling nimbasubiza kujubahereza no kongera hari ekyo ntwenda connections n'abandi abebembeza barabireho ekyo kuba PF50 eshonga patejo tikizubu akuba nanemikago neyetenga kandi aba PFF kunywana n'abaye naremu arengoro rwa hansi kwe gita n'abahiguru tukagira ibintu bitwaretera abakazi ahansi tukabaretera emishomo yo kwetungura nikibasika kurabara kubashomesa bakamanya omukazi ayino kubata omukazi ayino kugambata omukazi ayino kwetwazata byone byo nimbasa kandi ninza kukikora nimbaraganisa
Madam Sa obutugumza mutugane omurebe wa TV wese amazana senyo mugiriyo neshonga nakarukanye cyakana mnonga ko kuza kuterwa akanaka bacyara akatebukanse kirongo cyo commission tugamba kirehe nanye ndakukereze cyo cyane Madam Sara gamba ekirehe Madam Sara ekyo cyancho noreba a screen yawe Junior Trading Center ekirehe abakwenda kwetegereza je wanoza Arkabare Road warga aharufura yo mu ruti Trading Center ukorataho niyo Trading Center ekirehe ekincho cyane Madam Sara ekyo munka abantu barukwingana kindi bakora mirimo ki namnonga abacyara abako cyo tugamba abacyara omutawneji abantu barimu bakora mirimo ki ukabino nda kuba kwirota
kirehe kirimo abantu bingi kandi twine n'emigisha it is industrial area akuba turi hina Kazire factory twineyo na Lakeside factory twineyo na Legacy Bonder kushubura motoka aho twineho aho factory ya Gold Day president yahereze kwigura
factory ya Gold
aho abusere opposite na Kazire factory twineho yindi factory ya Kahunga aho naho twineho n'ishomere rya rehabilitation area government area abana baruhoboremu twineye Kinombe kandi Kihango na Rufura ibagiro ryona ni rukorofa ingaro ryo mu Kirehe Seru mwene Kirehe erumwa abantu nyamwingi kandi abakazi bamwe mostera bingi nibakora mu Lakeside factory ya Kazire emirumeri yo sofa konkani betenga obwegese betenga counseling ebyo byona ntija kubikora tongere nandekateka abantu natwaye ndito Kirehe ntubasa gukora sako akuba abantu nibatasya hihi buri izoba
bweno mbugufu omutashime kwejumbo mukarurukanye ncyakare
umuntu ashemereye kwejumbo mukarurukanye ncyakare atito bugabe bwe LC water tire karuruka LC1 mazima notine nabu waronze totabe expecting amekintu cyona akubo bwebembezi nubuza kutandika grassroots sofa hanza LC mwene nimpuga abakazi bono mu Kirehe nyencyakara karuru 23 byo kwa mushanjo nibwe turarunda karuru kabana bacyara ningaruka ntwari umugisho gushaba karuru Kirehe mweberere mu ndwabwa nyumurhabwanje nasigara ndikemerembe Sara
bamama niwe ndbaza ibigambo biri bishaka ko izuba ryankikare haro bamama bindu kureba hanga hananisha abacyati nabo twahereze chance nimuje tuganira ukaje ibigambo biri bishaka namnunga nkimwe kabacyara izuba ryankikare tumwe bigambo amazina gawe tu live TV wese namnungo gomere wa TV wese okabino mugambi ya cyayizo
amazina ganje natkunda Rovens ni imbero mu Kirehe Kirehe kimazire mu myaka 20 na buriyo mwana ijaturo mu Kirehe akibonire kacira umusete nibyebye byanje nyoti nyine byinshi
eshonga ya karuru
akaruru ntuzakatera kuko mwaro tukatera bakiba we n'amazima garugo bakatera mburiganuza reke guma rutera bushaka ruru batakiba
ararabe muno ndabakorereki
abatukorereki entunguka niyo twenda taro kindi
entunguka niye hano ndabatanzirariki
bagume batahabure okuturazo bibina batahabure okuturacere gukora kezo cyane abwe no wajaka kugahire nyowe
kahire
sido wampagira no kumpagira
cyahwire mama ninde wofumbatse mbeho kikwasire ninde bayongera aha tuganire amazina gawe enshonga yawe ni abebuzi
amazina yanjye tumiga Anthony Yasi umukire namara mu myaka nkasha 5 di VHT
okay ebyamagara twemerire tuta
ebyamagara twemerire je ubuyoja gukora iki turukushaba ubururu bwanye cyakare cyabo mu cyaro ararabemu itura groups z'abakazi turire center z'abakazi ngene cyabora arabemu atugerezeho atere amani tugire umwuga nitutwerumba mu makazi tubeka banje
abakazi nkabandi ekitekateko cyawe ahandori road
abandi direge sebo amazina asingure mu burini nirgaho muri Kirehe Seru itakitikushaba shabarahanga atarabize mu mwembezo umukozi kandi umwembezo mu mbantu program z'abakazi nizija turanguza hindero umuhanda mbone ntushaba hanga ko kubana atumanya atindura hambera umwembezo ajya umwembezo mu rujya kumanya cyo gukora
enshonga umwe wa TVC rakaneri yasenye umugirion turinkaye turi omuri Kirehe aho omurembo rambarara enshonga ni akarura akarukucyo tugamba utka ngokozo kurukwija tkariyari nakizo baryanyencha kare katwende na numwami wo gutwagamana n'abashija ikigambo cya bibiri
amazina ni raka namwebaze Vincent asimbera ntebe ya cha passion Nyakanga Seru village Bugase ward Barara South nyenda karuru ka Chairman kwenda gukora Seru yite ya Nyakanga kagire ntunguka
nonda kora ariki
tebekanise engudo kore engudo twine bitindo abantu binjira bagwamu nemhara tijine yo kubasa kutembo ensozi finena nensozi kunganya ntekateka nazo abantu kanje ginyine za kore engudo nzika ayizita kwika
waza kuchikubaso dako cha personnel C1 in 25% sente tozine arengo na mwana twero mureba amanye ko kwaza kushwaza
ikintu echo za kushwaza anti pasente yiba kutwereza bakitwereza niza kuchikoza abitinde bikore gakengiza bakuru bita abitwaterira karuru
connection
tugambe nabo biza bagarka hansi bare kwakore gakore ntindo ezo na nenguru tukasara zikaterera na namashomero tinemuna nishomero mseru yitejo naika katunguka tinemuna nentoche zita waturi abahinji ifitoche byasoze bitoche tufuna mesente bikore ngudo zita
kwasa uriyo
nasigamwe baze Vincent oisimbira gwacha ya person Nyakahanga village
TV West yomre wa TV West uro kureba ngutwaka iwo muntu wa burijo noreba twatangana cha paso ko kabanta ko kushanga bajonja kwerundana banja kutereze bitekateko byabo ebine muntu wa burijo na mnongi iwo muri wa TV West okuje kiwacenga izo bari anyica kare ebira arna bishatu nakaruru kabacyara arengura LC1 kana karura ko kutana nakarara kabashija abacyara bona besi imbere yo na komite y'abantu mwenda bona nabo kuterera karuru then ebero abna munana akanakaruka cha person LC1 abna munana that means sabiter kuja abana ko kamundo gocha person wache ya person bamutara na ine kutara nakachiko akachika ako nho baraba nagiraho agwakire katugaruko mu studio sisa chalte na jemba guza program simu kana sigansenye mugiri naho murembo rambara professor Kampura na homonymu nabara musiya mwe bari munonga ba producer banje
wale kumanyana ko yaurkata Gideon Senyemo, thank you very much. Wagumza munotereza updates zakaruraka kando tukozireje okumano ya updating abantu abo kwa binje bitujwanjire akaba kazi manyoko yahandikisa manyoko reba za register manyabiha ako kumano mugonto ninyencha kare mundayitebekana soto nubwashesho mundayitebekana so we salute you for that kandi ninjangu na mrana itnyona wentu rugo mchanga chumwe akarurito ntwasa koraro bwati ya paso ntwaburonda nko mukazi chukuringe twe no twaze nyuma ni byasigara turarebirokwe
cyashimeza kugira ngo abantu bo mucanga eco no bamanya eco bari kwenda inshonga zentunguka ebevena byabacare bitukura ntuburo makuru konka ground video mbena abesimbire ninja mwamanya himura atandikire in case mwaraba program ya sisi kutimuka ekirimu negenda omu maisho dakiika 3 ezarabo mu rushahemwe tukine empapura z'amakuru kuko nabo nabagambire twineyo n'omujenyo turabe tutayayisa tugamba nshonga za trip z'amashomero ezazihangire na n'ebindi bingi bantumwe ebyo tashemekwa no fera kwa kakatizo mukahumuro kace ntuza kwantugaruka mutakaruga
cheka ebirabyo nabitano byo kwa mushanjuku abeshongozi nyamwinji nibaza kuba bariyo shiba alien skin chamenke Ronaldo Mainja Fefe Musiwo influencer Final Truth 256 Omega 256 Sister Charity Hija Rasta Jazz Matenre Nankunda Nora Engineer Juvan Vala Music Peterson M.A. Megaton Utah Dancers Red Western kwemuri chiremya kabana mushanjo mu buhereza okutamu nishinje mutoro kumugunka Mbwendo takabura Chihazigwe Pepsi Nyakajo Sako Limited na Diora Motors Limited Chitebeka nisibwe Abashirani Logistics Limited Leka tuto bunuzi Nehinda TV West Nehinda wabari wachirinitwe on program ya sisimuka abahereza bawe ocine Jemima ayebare hamwe na cyo butunji charity yakanuko kira kutwantireba ebijo mu mpapura z'amakuru New Vision hamwe na n'urupapuro rwabukede twabitunjire bitu amutwe gwa New Vision tureba Final Salute was a peacemaker champion development ebine mukuru wihanga byagambire obwabe nagamba General Moses Ali orujuro magaragense G barebe bamugambire wabebembezi batahibeye ahari kuruga na nabandi binji ababe bamwineho akakwate babukoretera umupapuro New Vision page yakana kusia eyamshanju barmu nibamugambaho tureba painkillers linked to kidney disease itabo kuchira kweragura washasha umutwe washasha munda utkanje nezegura painkillers nibakwereka ngu zimwe painkillers omwe zo zitumire twarara n'endwara zitakumanya mbwene byetunjire apeji ya kashatu obshome ombwijire Kaihura judge cited in Kagezi murder plot turebire omwe obarimo no bahozesa ahamshango ngo kwita John Kagezi ntumanya ko abari omunyabiragiro by the time bamutera amasasa kafa akabari munna hozesa omushango gwabe kwatirina na za bomo ezabarukiro Kampala mweno ngo mumba bene bahozesa agizire kale Kaihura akababiru munamazima ninga New Vision erimune kushobora ahashongejo aha page ya munana IGG grills former UNRWA officials on Mpigi expressway centers kubaziri mu budget ni Media Ground babukoretera umupapura ra New Vision amakuru numenji reba abebembezi okuba paying tribute to the late General Moses Ali ebyakoze de ahiyatandije kushira munongo mu rugendo reye ra politics babukoretera tureba judge warns police officers in Major Chigundu murder trial ogwena gwo gucira mu rugendo meisho omushango iwe beno kuratera mu New Vision yakuretera updates Esian, controversial Anglican Bishop Senyonjo dies at 95. Shoma Paproru obase kumanya binji ebirukwata aha mukuru wedinogo. And of course burura kashatu otakafera kwetu njira katoto magazine nikija omulopara New Vision ntore baturiyo beauty pageant reba abeji bari muno bagambaho, and then harimo na activities nyinji za puzzles za stories eza kubasa kuyamba umuherere wawe kwega kushoma, kandi of course akaguma ari engaged. Mwalimu kandi antunturebe kwatinene by'amashomero nturebe za school bus za school trips ezukubazirimu nici umwe bishobere, kandi tukatuma twazireba omunjerimbi na unabazire bakaja bitu tubaziyaho babukuretera ba tripes bari muno bagambaho uko biri muno bigenda omwihanga. New Vision yabukuretera otakafera study materials ntureba chemistry mock exam turi mu second term amashomo gari mock iwo mukuru wishomero nice cyukuzobera kutungora babara New Vision okarutwara ishomero abeje babo bakabasa kurevise abashirije kubibizonka byona noza kuba no bishango mu agaheri yihanga nabo bagareta bitiwe orukunde by'emizano, kandi hatiyo bakuretera amakuru nyamwinji ntureba 5 billion wages shillings nabaja Lakers sign Uganda and Kaluma in a good deal. Yes, ebibukwatirine na basketball. And of course leva sente this Spain zetunjire bwanyuma yo kuhangura ekikopo chensiona ningashe cha World Cup debibukwatirine na nempira y'amashomero sports local sports of course umunda yihanga babukuretera nyamwinja bwa shiringi 12 zonka. New Vision yakasheshekeri izoba niko kuyabasa kusheti katirebe ebija omupapura orabukede
Bukede of course yari Uganda. Umugaga Big Daddy tabusene mukazi we omukazi ayagara mutwara kemari yabuwumbi bubiri abacyara nyine kumuriye n'ukwata mu merisize karungu konka birya kumukora abashaba imyaka yahandi hace bataci basakura barabamo atamutandika kubakore bitari bya burijo teguma y'umutecho uri kufunamu omukutware binte byotahendekire niwe myaka yabire yahandi hace uriho mushija no muteka umukora abana mu kwingana kutyo ngene ko wakumutanga kufa hagati yaho ojango rahanga akakutwera mushangoki mureke turyeho bice byasigara ndekera baraye basigara nabo batandikira bito niko byemerere bityo ibyo mbwiga Big Daddy. Aganda makuru agarumugari yaha ba Ghetto Kids engeri jebaze babarandiza batuke ku stage gagade ya World Cup ne Shakira nimbareba hwaha bine Shakira na Burna Boy aha kuhendera kwa World Cup abo aba Ghetto Kids n'abanya Uganda, kandi Shakira akabeta bose performing hamwe aha finals za World Cup. That group has made us proud. Museveni atendereza Moses Ali, second prime minister arwaha hanyuma yuko rwomagara genseji nutureba president Museveni okwamutenderize byone byayizire na akora aha wihangariye tu Uganda and majanti Iran rese teknolojia etabude Donald Trump na warwana ateremeza na drangu no I never knew that Iran yabasa kubeyemerire ti ombya teknolojia so shomayo orebe amapapa rwa Bukede. Bwengula taxi nina kusasura misolo ki buza akulira URA omwami musinguzi rojochi awe arwaha nagaruka mbebuzo byawe ukwatena na URA kuri tukute mishoro itangiye mwene birya gorofa yabade nanyini somero yakafira mu abantu babiri kufa kwa abantu nabafa and babiri is not a big number nk'umutoze kujongo hano Israel kiri konkani njaye nece bakushobora oija kushoma kukirebe okyetegereze orupapura n'orwa bukede ensi 5 y'ebyobufuzi akaruru kabawuba sentebe w'emyaka 82 pressure zimukubye nafa abokwa noshaba mutireho pressure yeyo abantu ayo batamusente yabireba byamushobera byamukizamani amherwizoba yarugomagara gense jabwa pressure abo nco tagabo furitsire twagaruka tukareba ibiro byawe bibiri bishatu no mesho abo kuba aka stiyo kufa no kucira anyway ubundi rahangana abe yashashayo kumwakira Bajant Moses Ali yateke tofari ku mupira gwa Uganda bambi aho muri mu Businje hanyuma yo kugira ngo hine binje byakozirire ihanga kana nece bacongera cyo kugira ngo yo mukwabo abateka ketofari ku mupira gwa Uganda nimpendera bajanti ingumi ya mna Uganda ezitoweredo muzungu yamutere kitomya garahanga ryahitaka chay kandi wari umunya Uganda mwiraguju tuteka ngo bari hano ba Chairman kwa kwambaga mbosho tensi yahwaho by this time round no wari yahitaka Arsenal Rwachi Rogers yajikubye kimoni with Rogers ate yakikoza atia imbere rwaha nayo utakabasa okujiferwa urupapuro ru narwashiringira kumizonka kandi injangu toyine kwa norferwa ukabasa kumanya makuru aganda gakubasa kubana gakirari yagagumushaburo agunabasa okukusyaho rendo ro kurwasha abantu barondora ruti takashanga norondo bwije n'ingorwa nyuma abazi this is for today
program ya sisimuka echeremonez gendo mission of course na nabagize mu tuzakwa twene kiganiro ekikacine na trips z'amashomero turebere government yazbaninga bwanyuma y'ishomero rumwe kufera abana bakwingana kabiri na bashatu umuri butando abazire no babuza ahabwacha abana umwana wambare yayine kugenda kapuchoro kushoma ebyo bikiryaho abwacha n'umutuye aho sente nyinshi abana tubakashoma bakahika as trips
z'imo bazire kana musigama shomera gambarara no wanyu gushenyi mukabatwara Kampala babone babuze kibuze cyo ngumwana yaza mu trip ya kuri yahari
abebyana nibyo turabenze ugamba hande kwa sintuza kwa twine Nathan Mugume oguwa kaba yabireho head teacher w'ishomero rya Mbarara Junior School atwire field yabyo bwejese naza kubana twigura misho ahashongezi andi obwahati trips obuzbanije kumarakire we forward neha obundi bo bakabene benda ngo bahindure muki na government hindure muki kugira ngo bundi trips hine kizira munzi yamba zarugaho bundi abeje babasofta hikaje ezasho ngantuza kwantuzigamba ho
yego
abazire kandi nabashomesa nabagira ngo na hand zone training abana basheme kurebe bintu wamujati otogu no mujera abena basabure bakagumanya gushike hagore
twinogo arwizi wano shora mbarra municipal shuma yife nebijere mugarike mutera muronde kari akapanya abana bashume batakadire cyo babugana mu accident ninga n'iki
kana habuka no mu guidelines za government erimunegira ngo abana baza trip by shay 10 bizo mwaza babagarice eso atwaraga municipal shamushanje tukaza rizi yukuzaza ku 10 muntu batwagacha
awaza zaza tumara ukaza kuzaka fuchero wajimanyisa you spend there 3 days nabana bamwe bakurwe bahike barukurwara habor gender ring
bagwejeje babure no kubireba
nibyo mpanda bure kubarenyo
ejo cyasuganira kiturabetse nakasheshekerizo bamunota catch fera katizon komo kachen tuzakwantagaruka mutakarga TV West
arthritis echi abaryoka bakutureba mwena nkimanyisa endwara ninga inflammation arthritis nkimanyisa endwara ninga inflammation of the joints ninga sho mukaruma akache nkimanyisa kuzimba nkimanyisa kushasha nkimanyisa stiffness ningo kugangala kwenjingo omurnyankore so ebe byona okushasha omugongo noine lumbosacral arthritis ningashi amagufa g'omugongo ngagarwire okuzimbokwe
ejo nenjingo
okushasha amaju noine ni arthritis okushasha so enjingo ezindi ankle ningashi wrist ezeze ezo mungaro no wasa kushanga umuntu ari kugira ngo nashasha omu ninga nashasha obwara mwene enjingo yona he na no mabega shoulder arthritis
kandi
omuntu wasa kugira cervical arthritis harimo enjingo mbageta cervical bones so enjingo zawe omurnyankoro orunkumanya enjingo zawe zanze shasha zona izukushasha ningashi zimbire ningashi zigangire ejo nendware bakweta arthritis
nchkwatabe myaka engahe
kandi arthritis eje nangu eri common mu bantu bakuru because the commonest cause the commonest eitukushanga munongo mu bantu neba kweta osteoarthritis arthritis einebika konke ekitukushanga munongo ekika mbajeta osteoarthritis osteoarthritis nere kubaho abo kuba joint ekozro obwire bwingi yaraha so nchimanyisa ngo there is tear and echo kweta degeneration kushanga okozise kintu obwire bwincharaha chakujuka hati chakujuka hari hagati y'enjingo tuyina hamizi mbageta synovial fluid then ngetoro akanaka kakavite mbageta ninga kanerane katerejizezo aza tuzukira kwatana tuzukusana au jangu haramuka oil
mpurire
so ko koreso emyaka yane agenda one osiki myaka nagarra higuru actually ryo mu osteoarthritis is common in above 40 years konka more common above 50 years.
Yes.
Radio West ni radio kashangwaho radio Rugeitanganda omu myaka namushaje mu buhereza
Madan kunonya sinamba wambula sinamba sinamba balimwa kino nkigamba zanti wali wambula munsenamba ken kufunye twefune fetuchuse namba oshegera mugamba mutabananga bagizi bange mwenna aba Radio West abali kumpi ne Radio West ababera mu West mwenna namba ita ku Saturday nga 25 July ekinihiro cha Radio West at 27 years Kacheka Stadium Showtime
ebyane mukenda nyingunyo ba DJ abakabi abaraptero muziki ebyane bakakwetogota weno kabayanga ntuzaka bane bihembo rwiguga oteberwa no kugashura za rushaju reka tanga misebe hama
otaza muka yawe okitirwa nk'obusasi n'enaku okalimbagirwa omwanya gwo kushemererwa okashekoka kunkomoka omusano muko wanje kuruga omba ankore actors nugutu yawe cyubaro otaferwa muzanogu urwa kashatu no rwa kana shahe mwezo mwabazyo kandi nugwijagaruka mu rwa kashatu no rwa kana shaha mwenda neshicweka zo mwebazyo
kama sasure kandi dinga chikoraga kechi kukicyambaho
kashangwaho radio Rugeitanganda omu myaka namushaje mu buhereza kinihiro huta ubunuzi gena kuzomeza 25 guno mwezi gwenyini gwe tulimu mwe twegirisiza basabone banyawo Kacheka Stadium egenda kudamu ekwatata kati tujijuze boba kuva kuno mpaka kuli anti kagenda kubera mazina kudigida tusimbula ku machane tuzibya mpaka eri mbukola kakati olinda ki genda kuzomeza 25 Radio West erechikoze ngera na bulijjo batuyise fena okubira dale Kampala tugenda Masaka paka Mbarara fena tugenda kunganya Kacheka Stadium endongo jegenda okubeera ngetokotera abayimbi bonna bekulumula okubira Damu Western ne abe Kampala fena netweyiwa wali bakomediani bonna ne beyiwa wali kakati muganda ngolinze eki fena bana Uganda sona beni mutani wa mchala kando mbakode ne bagamba nti bonna musaleko Kacheka Stadium tugenda okusinsulira endongo tukole tutyawo nga biwedde tukole tutya nga abayimbi bawedde tukube mu ndongo bw'oba mantino tugikubanika omukono tugambe nti huta obunuzi ne Radio West kacheka ffenna nga 25 mujja tusimba akagere
hapo usheje mutwaro kumamukonka kuti ogwa Uganda
Nehinda
TV West Nehinda we bari bakirinitwe on program ya sisimuka akasheshe kerizoba umuhereza wawe ucine Jemima ayebare kandi of course kandi ko kira kanane ngambira ntuza kubantu gamba aha trip ez'amashomero ezitukureba mu government ya Uganda erugireho yazbaninga bwanyuma yishomero rumwe ruturebere ka King David School bambe babeno wargo mu trip capture kutunga butandu kandi abeji bakwingana 23 bakafeiraho nibinja birumuntu bugamba ahanshonga za tripses yabazire nebebuza aha bwacha abana bine kuzaharo kwe ezi trips kuzakuba zitaruho tukagumiza abana bitu bakashoma kandi ubundi bakahikana nebigezo bitabwacha amashomero gataku planning aje ni kahiya yibigenzire ayibyanzire kugenda je ubundi mu planning na nebindi byona ntwenda turebe future ninga shinyense ya school trips zo muihange niriha and of course noitwaretera omjenyi witu omwami Nathan Mugume abenje ntumanya ko wabira ari head teacher wambara junior school bitu nibinje binde byari munakora asebona kwakira nanishaba oyongere ko yanjura abantu baburijo bongere kumanya
mwebare bunonga kunyakira aba TV West kandi mwebare no kunyishuka ngondi yo ku munsi
ari umuntu witu
niyo munsi kandi nashemera ukunyeta kasheshe n'abantu bize munonga nyino rugendo konkana ntakubasa kubura kwija aha TV West kwegesa abantu ninga kushobora abantu hati ninye Mugume Nathan kandi abamuri basa kugira ngo ndi senior citizen bayimaye gukora imyaka yanje kagiza yo mukuru nkaga kandi ukora service ngo mushomesa wenyine watangiye ku muri wenda 98 gakora imyaka yanje 38 full kata gahumura hati ndiyo mbyanjye
kwakira twashemerera kutunga akasheshekerizo bakani umuntu ashikire wakubasagamba nshongezi ezikwatirine na school trips mwana tukareba government recently kurabiro minister webyobwegese bashara mu babaninga trips kumara kanya ubo bakongera kushujuma eki bakubasakora so nkiwe otwire ombintu byobwegese okebemberaho nishomero umutwire numugeraho trips reaction yawe kaberye habwa nyuma ya government kususpending ezi school trips
achoko banza it is very sad and unfortunate kugira ngo tukaferwa abana kabo na utobo kubanza kufa abana batwire nubagwa trips nka accidents zone zikubaho konka kuchikobe cy'abana bingi batyo cha attracting attention y'abantu kandi it was very sad to begin with icya kabiri yenda kubamanyisa ngo abakozi bitu ba government yitu ya Uganda na polisi naki nabari in charge na ministry bakira kuba bahunami nebimbuka kugamba kukora when something bad happens there and then kunkanya ndabamanyisa ngo guidelines za tours turaho all through hati nkani shora abazire tours ninga kuorganizing a trip yanje kuorganizing kubanza tours 1989 kandi tutura organizing a trips akandi umushomesa wa social studies kandi yabana bakutekwa kushoma nabo bakurabera umutours ahubwo among in the course outline haramu field trips harimo na tours.
Okay, aho no yuko datandikire ezi za school trips zine mu gashoci omukwega ko mwana
hati ukwega abantu bakurebera harubaho bolo bareba umushomeso zarubaho ushomese konko mwana nayegaje yakwata yahurra yareba touching seeing and hearing kandi umwana nayega yaba free na bagenzi be free environment so when for example field trips to the primary school zonga secondary schools zine na areas zibakutekwa kubuzwa field study universities zine field study nibatekwa kuzo field kureba ibi batura abashoma theoretically hat practically nibiyo kandi je niyo karicura muhati ituruho aho kakaricura mu ituruho ni emphasizing more of practicals than theory. So actually nyenda ba mayisengo field trips are very very much useful in the education of the child konga ni njanja kuchikaho shobora awenji on the other hand these field trips are not they are becoming a disaster in our country.
So wagamba kugira mbo bwati turi mu niyo curriculum ebintu bine abantu okushema kwanu kukoma mu class yonka hari izindi skills omwana za kwegera mu field trips obunde zatakabasa kwegera mu class.
Yes, icyo kubanza nka sharing ntwetaga abanya-Uganda abine empathy abakubasa kusharinga n'abandi. For example hato umwana kwako ari umukokwe na bari wenga tukarebere nko mwana yatakatandikisha ishomero na waza kwata nka kintu cyakuba yine na yanga nabakwise ngako kuzo mu ishomero yazo mu social environment hato go mwana ayihamu okumanya abandi abantu so hati nko mwana kwako bari need for example yagenda field trips acubwana mugenzi we basharinga barya kumwe hato mwana yiga skills eza sharing azantu zetago mu Uganda icya kabiri hato mu field trips abana abako kuzayo bega spending ne sentes bakaba bahire hariho abana kugenda zona akazirya akazizo
izo baro
hariho umwana uri kugenda akasavinga akija akagura nkakame akakataho icya kashatu mu field trips ezi ntwega kuba cautious and protecting yourselves mwana kujangu yariyo na avoidinga ebintu kubasa kugira ki kumuretera nkobuzu kandi akamanya ngo asheme kwerinda akamanya ngo asheme kubana handlinga ibintu nko kushemera.
Yes. So tuzetaga abazire nija okumware babazire bintu bano babuza ngo bitabwa trips ezi mwine kuzitwara hari akatugire ishomo ryo muri mbara abwachi abeji bemyaka mito abukati hari amashomero recently minister doketi y'abana nkareba ari kwemereza basi yishomero keine mabeji ba nasare barimo n'abagenda trip kandi distance riningwa abwachi mutakagira ishomero nkago muri mbara nangugatambwire kandi utakashanga ngugaje na captura ninga za kotido ninga serere ninga soroti ezi za trips abana tubakayegera omuhihi
hata kizibu cha trips ikiziremu n'abantu kuzihindura kamasho
na neje nayo concern
zirigiremu okuronda senti because unko mwana wa baby class icyo kubanza trips waza kuzoganizinga ishemeye kubaza yo peer classes peer classes, these are levels of learning. For example umwana gwa nasare naza atum trip no wa P7 chukubanza they don't share interests kabiri they don't the learning the curriculum is not the same
hariho gap ya mana
to even P1 kunkati nore ukoko bari umwiro winjo mumbe ni bandi trip nore nkabwana bwa P1 bapakire no wa P2 bapakire no wa P3 bapakire hatu waza kwashomesa kuriya which topic do you teach them because these trips should be basically in schools should be basically for learning not for enjoyment enjoyment ni basa kubetekerize konka learning hatu ko kurobwana bwa nasare bapakire na ba P1 na P2 na P3 orengo harimo element yesente so nyoni ntekateka ngo ico kigwire kandi bakakererwa abo ko hatu nk'abana nasare at least let them go to Mbarara hariho imyanya yitu muri mbarra yo kushemeza abana bato abo ko mwana na yashoma na wargo kamushomesa rocks wa nasari atakatambwire distance kurugaga na banka hari niba byamwebere n'ubumwe n'ubushanga bapakira mu motoka bugwejegire
n'amazima
abandi babukikire motoka yaberiye yo gutwara abantu 14 ushanga bapakiremo abana 30 bukikirine no kurya ushanga rubaburisa. I have always been observant hariho n'ina intervening in real face the head teacher in Kasese abana ukashangana barya meals nkintervening nkumnya Uganda naze ko sand parent ukashanga abana no barisa range barisa shamwenda reason nubo kubutakitegerezo no kitegereza kugira ngo range serving nkarangi kandi serving nkasapa kandi ubakuza kurara hata abana kuba washaba abazire sente abashabe sente zo wabashaba let all that money go to the welfare of the child. And kopanyise motoka yo kutwara abantu ubu tube organizing trips umwana yashashurira basi nagenda mu ntebeye nka umukuru nkisho kwa bana ninganye no kwa bana ngiye kutwara abantu nkagana mushanju netwara nkagana mushanju ahabo kuba kutukureba these trips and field trips as a means of making money that's why people make a lot of mistakes such as that have an accident aba tureke kuferwa abana bingi abo ka accident ya base yekoriye abantu 30 mu 14 those are many souls lost.
That is true. Program ya system kechimuneja ndo misho, and of course twine omwami Nathan Mugume senior citizen atwire sector yebyobwegese turumuntu gamba ahaza triple zamashomera itugambira government suspending jire bwanyuma ya accidents nyamwinji kubaho bwe abana baba bari mu trips nindeba wagamba ngo trips ezi niziyamba abeje kushoma nangu atari no mu classroom zibahereza skills zibarabe betaga ombero byo misho konka hati nice kubaho kandi okashanga ibintu byashoba ahabwa cyo bwa hati trips ntureba zonjire kuba dangerous habire hoje
zonjire kuba dangerous because those who should have intervened are not doing their work. Hata hariho guidelines zotakagire mu trips. Trips ziyombi chweka bishatu. Pre-visit, during visit, and post-visit. Tinkuhamya ngo abantu bingera following ibyo real. Wena kwata abana abatwara Kasese. Abatwara Kampala umuzu. But you are supposed to go there before the visit. Wewe abana bakurara hi nearest police station erinkahi abana abo kuza kubakira noha emyanya nangu no basa no kubashashurira so that bakayo batajabira and they waste their time umukujabira so urugudo routes no kugenda naziha then you are supposed to notify the police katugena nimba yambarara notifying the police so takagenzere then waza kugenda ushemere kuba uwamanyisa abaziri basheme kwa consent
bamanyangu muno
they are supposed even to endorse and you are supposed to have a list of students barukuza kugenda kandi nabaziye wawe sumuzabo just in case of anything umuntu abone reference kandi nangu nano motoke bashitama basheme kubana bamanyangu nankayo bashitamaha abantu abagiye numbasi kandi baje hariho trip inarebere abana bari mu basi bana babishiki bina bashija bonga. Yes, I have seen this since 1989. I have always engaged my students in field trips. Konka ikintu gamba ndakirebe basirimu abashija bonga hato mwana w'umukikwagera kizubu yanda kuzomu mitwe ninga ya incidentally yazo mitwe who helps now the fellow students or yourself. So those are the mistakes that are really made. Hati ukinagambira cyo kugira ngo abakubera bakora imyuga yabo polisi abenshi neyimuka ashaya muheru when the accidents happen. No student should go on trip on the road without official documents. Police must permit The education officer must permit, and the parents must permit, and the management of the school. Hati ukashanga abantu baba involved in accident. Hati police daibuka rero bagamba I have always had my friends talking.
So
ministry ekimuka guidelines ati guidelines ezo abwenchi education officer nekereza ishome kutwara abantu mu trip. But atatungirsa kuba bagera batinarsa kuba harabwira
batinjaro lupoza bukataro kamashomera gutukumanya gatwire umbinte byo ginizi narahango and honestly ni mpamya umamenka Nathan Katujenko bo birore hebiticha wa Ambara Junior School hinahora hike bakabora kugumiza munonga bokani bateka ngo bintu no bumanya so shanga haza ho gapseze bajangwa ahubwo umureke
umukubura kugumya nimwe tukushanga ibizo. When the policy is followed, you will not make mistakes. The challenge we have, people don't want to nabone babi ni mu interest abatakugumya abo kuba kwa bazo mu trip bakamushagiza yakantu nawe kunganyo tinka chikoraga. Why? Because I have been following the policy all through. Kwa kumanyisa police ya hano bakimanya batwirera mama mutu organizing a trips, we always inform them. Education officer wanje ryanyuma aha namanya before we could risk taking children out, we would always get a sheet. They give us permission. The RDC's office, the RCC's office would give us permission because those are key stakeholders in this, and therefore they must know.
Okay. Twinana nabe byango tabya traffic nakudata teri abasi na yishomera marabe habo nabantu biri.
Hati nyenda kumanyise ngo motoka zo kureba ruguda. Enyingi disheme kwa zubaze rya ruguda. Nangu ni tuzi kututwara nkabashabaze. Hati ezo mu motoka zo kututwara nkabashabaze kiro tuzi kugenda. Abo katizine matara. Kungu mwihangwe tukariwa yabazgine ninga stake. But the police should have inspection on the roads. So the challenge we have is that even the police does not mind about the checks and balances. Basi za secondary schools nyingi zikawayukare. Zikawayukare service terho.
Konka bondi mwebyo tubyema amisho.
Abamwe twakufaho. Abamwe na police tekubaho faho. Konka they are not road worthy. So tureka kutegereza ikizubu kikabaho nkeki. Then hatukabatandika kugamba for us when I was a head teacher, bus would take them to the police to train to journalize a group. They would demand that those buses, the police, should be checked, and they would go to the police. Bus chebera, then but here is a route chart. Twichereza akoze neza ukora kampani. Wawaza kasese bakwa route chart. Kujya ejo motoka twagikiriza ngweze kasese kandi gizereki ikebiri.
Okay.
So that in kasese ushanga bakwikiriza kugenda.
So mwe ebintu nkebyo ninjira kutubuzire kubiteka hamani no shanjire twatunga ubuzima. Then hari hendijo issue tureba bukati nkeri shomero tuzakurikoza ka example bukati ndiyo makuru abazire bakana bajambeje keri ka trip ya kana nutureba first of all the 7 years omwaneza kushoma katu bari kurga P1 P7 amashomero ga organizing trips nyinji omwana yagenda mu trip ari mu P3 nenga yagarika mu P5 P7 habwachi amashomo garimo ga organizing trips nyinje ni pressure kurgombazire nice chukuretera aba organizing trips nyinje abo kataba bakana barga north but omumbazira kajerati ataka habe na trip yo kuzo mu Western Uganda twarugayoje abantu betwagiro mu Eastern oshangisho mero umwana yaje umyaka mushanju yaje ndo mu trips 75 no kigamba hoje
cyo kubanza arimo gukora sente schools especially well let me not mention some categories of schools unkaba mwenu bakirenzia because you see field trips izinagambaho tichera jongo watware baze kushomera kapchoro unless you have specific interest maybe in CP4s but we also have falls nearby if you are from Barara ate no basa kushanga umwana yabasa some schools may not let me use this example amashomera gabano ushanga batine kandi kulisa kunko mushomesa na shomesa aha control of ticks hate echo noza kushanga mu neighborhood ngachachi ninga nkomu utaka ainende hati you are supposed to organize a trip, start a trip to the next farm to do what? To study how he controls ticks. Oze yorebe paddocking system kwogezo mu, for example ukashanga inenka depress ukashanga umuntu na there is hand picking, hand dressing also abakwogezo bitambara. These are systems that our traditional people have, but which should be used as ukabatwara nko stock farm. Twine stock farm hari ukabatwara bakareba twine kakoba force ziriyo kunka ni ndio nigeza kushobora bwenye abantu batwara abana ubwo mwaka ugurukwija hatejo cyakabera hari mu competition ishomero nankar twira abana munonga de n'abazire bata direct ito abana bitwa batakuza mu trip abwenye batakugenda abana kandi bagenda wanje next year team kumukwa unga ushangana no abana maintaining competition
abana matwara mu trip
abana tereka tubatwara mu trip rero bwana wapakira bwana sare yukora rebere graduation yo mwana wa nasare why do you think what akoze graduation umwana kajwara gown eje nko fire bakujwara very significant in education. It is meant actually for degree holders, graduates, or graduates. Ukana ushanga kana kariyo mbembe class chujwaro kariyo kasangana nacho
shango muzire na school fees of mama
makumene ngune agawun kandi za university hari baziguza makirese so why? Because of the competition ini mwabazire abaryuko amashomero mugataho pressure mwenda gashana na gari kunka there should be uniqueness ishomero iri kuba unique features creator yatana na gadi
gatara amashomero agata kweta nchiko z'abaziro umuntu butokwa twine grievances zitu oshanga hatina itukuziteka
atezo mistakes how can a school fail to call meetings? In fact ugo no mu education department I have resumed my consultancy in my retirement. It's called Limelight Consultancy Uganda. In fact na hati niyo safari yino narga kwegesa abantu yes I started it a long time ago but because I was in a school ati no baso takoveri education office ukabara kucheckinga private schools is kubura kwita abantu for meetings. A school should have school management committee, should have PTA committee. Why should we have these committees without sitting? The Education Act is very clear. No school should operate without management committee or PTA committee. No wundo uchiko. So no more education officer ni inspectors. Why are they existing? They are existing to ensure that there is order in the running of schools.
Okay, turimo tuguza mu mission na program ya sisimu katuchine omwami Nathan Mugome atoka wabire former head teacher and nichirungi shomero trips ezumwabe muzamu chanche ndo sharing ni to tugambire mukabano mu organizing amuta kujambeze trips ziri safe in terms of safety binje mwabe mureberaho kujangweze trips zaba successful.
Ecyo kubanza nagira ngo trips tukazoganize every year konka class in the whole school trips are undertaken by P7 and P6. P6 like Mburu nearest to appreciate our nature just near here. P7 Kasese aho kari ibintu bingi byo kwega ibabya abana bakubuzwa rocks what the nature vegetation ibi byone ibi biri mu syllabus abana ntibashuba. So whenever we do organize trips at that school I left the system shana kuba rije kujeshenyera but there is a very strong system kandi na hata bakuza kukinga abaryo mu trips. Those are the systems they used. Yo kubanza the management must know. Management must budget for it and PTA. It is part of the budget. Taro kugira ngo emerero umwana muri leta mitware 10 ukagumana ushorereza Rubaju. Abazire baturana bashashura umufizi. N'umwana nubi yakwataka shashurire fizi tikumuzubira kugenda. Umwana nagenda imumusigarana mu bihuza ki umuzire. Abuko wajya umwana shashwe nco kureberana batwara baki class abamwe bagera ki babasiga. Then tubanza tukora privist. Muzayo mureba abana b'abantu ntibakurara muno tufayinga polisi ebirebe nebe twintendinga kujya kutura twizere muturi manye gutwisha kandi tujya kuba reportinga icyo mu kitaro murebe imyanya bakuza fitaya irane mu bookinga mutayona kasente izo bene neshaheze imwe bamba buku irrigation scheme muza kutushomesa aha hati mucheza kuheze icyo hati mugaruka mureba ibyo kuryana bakubitunga bata hariho accessibility y'ibyo kurya abana bakurara bata amwe nabo abitu turantu baraza mu students hostels abantu bakombeka hostels zabo arumwe bitanda bine sofuriya bateka hatumbaraza utari kujya kumurasi abana baze kwata rero baze ku umwana ko yayije mu enjoyment sure reka enjoy amazi ahumureho kace nawe mwina sharing na mugenzi then after that tucheza kutwaza kuza akucu hatu tutandika kusiki tushaba sente aho ka management ziryo mu budget hatu tushaba sente hatu tucheza tumanyisa polisi yakunu tukora list abazire n'abantu bakimanya list bagendo singa bamanya ngumwa ukwenda kuhereza umwana wo pocket money ajimo kokana wetu bari bitinga ako imwabazire mwina out of generosity umuzire nakwate mtwari ya 5 tumwana wanje gendo shemero ndazozo babona bonesa kuriya ako umwana takazi yangu yazize so hati cyo mucheza hati mwaka activist hati mushara mungaruka mu manyisa bazire mutunga consent ya dio yejuka state education officer tunga consent ya police basi bas checking. And we have been taking like 6 buses. Why? Because every child must sit, take a seat.
Comfortably.
Kutari kujangu imwe babiri bana muza kushita mantebe muno. Ndijeho naragayo icyo kitaka bahuga.
Okay. Wagamba ha buses kuzi checking ha police. Akandi abo kwano bazivuga hine test seziba ku aboka baturebere issues zo kushanga maybe probably omuntu yarga Kampala vugire yakikombara kasheshe takabyamire mukama waza basi ajate at by the way shomoka nankare mu ngendo mu trip kasese yahagumza mu yabantu yavuga bana bo bavuji baza buses hino kuba vetinga
you are very right abo ko umuntu narara somewhere aje kuvuga aje chikambara atahirumba na chikakuriya gwejegera hati I have been very strict and maybe those people who know me they may know me I don't know how they describe me konka bases ziturageze uzona I insist I say I have been telling the director of Global tuenda drive ogu I have spotted drivers that I know are sober twakunywa marwa twakuresa ako twenda muntu agenda naresa bo twafutana biriya I know them na hati nimbamanya so angera ntogu ogu no baratwara abantu kandi to making a strong robust twagitamo a strong leader urukuza controlling a speed motoka tesheme ko arereza speed age so ba driver bamwe wakuzo mbana then abana batero ware twatweshonga yongezo murro rero nabayongeza atari kumangwa yokorira lives kandi abana tubarashume bya driving nangu nabashomesa nabo bajoining abana driver yongezo murro ato murro bwo kutwara ngo so sometimes the drivers are the causes
wagamba cyo kushanga mwenka akatuje basi yeri mabishi katurenka za secondary schools nango gwahati maybe ni secondary school yabishi ngabojo ushanga batichaza barimu barenka bashija nanyenda ndebe ratio abana barimu bagenda for example kuyakwerenka basi ya global ninga basi yona harima beje tinkankaga hata mu hashime kwa harima bashumisa bakwinganaje
at least or at most there should be when we are sure at least 20 but it should be 15 the ratio 15 per teacher nangu wabona nabashomesa gira metro no mutemo ninga gira naso mutemo at least kugira ngo icweka kimwe cya basi umwe nakushitama inyuma umweze nkagati umweze nko misho uwo misho controlling aho misho wagata ko because iwe nibyinge ko happening mu bana kandi bimwe abazire mutakumanya kandi agabashomesa ko kohereza abana ishomero it is the role of the teacher now to take over from you as a parent. I see a teacher as a parent because we are the people who stay with children longest or longer than parents. Ameza ashatu yiwakije amaresa andibiri ishatu naba muri babagarira yuba baza mu coaching.
Okay.
Yeah.
So kwa twabantu bekanisa kugenda mu school trips hine bukwate butushemerire kuba twine kucira muno in terms of safety twagamba ibintu kaza first aid box intuntu planning jana kama shemero tugenda hanje dokezi ninga.
Yeah, very good. Chokobanza we are supposed to have first aid box. First aid box shemeko in senior woman. The senior woman is supposed to have a first aid box umuhashemeko harumuki
za pamba
za bandaji za pads safety pins cause tukuje kushemba bandage utine safety pins I'm a first aid person, I'm a Red Cross person. These are things that I'm a scout. These are things that we should always go with. Panadol, essential drugs. Ezokutamba echirukano abukamba kuryaje mwene ebyo bushemeye kuba mu budget yawe bushemeye kuba inde mu safety and security issues.
So kutonto gamba accidents wanyereka mbwashime kwa ro transparency agati yishomero na other stakeholders twaza kuzaha and planning akustopinga ebyo but twatuchum tugamba cyo cha accountability enshonga keze ka accidents kuzukubaho no shime kubana ba held accountable ninga who is responsible
ko kutwara mwana wawe omwishomero yona because the schools are registered. Right? All schools are registered and the government is in charge. That people should know that. The government is in charge. How kataro private school erkubaho it are registered. When head teacher when aba witness kunkano charging a government. That's why the government yayo uhurengu yatamu compensation twabahereza mazika emayaga shiringi zingahi because it is the government which is in charge. All the mistakes that are made by schools which is result in two cases it is the government that is responsible for those cases. Your headmaster na bakusiyani bakucharging konka nonohereza basically ubujurizi.
Okay.
Habokuba at the end of it all ura compensating umuzire noha ni government.
Okay. Chirimu tugamba aha chintu ekwatirine na school trips ncho kiganiro kitwine and tureba bwa hati government is suspending for some time obari konjera kushujuma enshongeji ebuzo bebiri binji abwachi abeji nebashara mu bakashomera hare yabwachi amashomero gari mu gatuye sente nyinji omwana oshanga ina period katuje primary section ya agenda mutribu kumara nke buri mwaka naba nagenda mu trip safety precautions niziha itwe amashomera gamwe gatebekanisa za trips niyo nshonga ituri umuntu ugambaho akasheshekeri izo bankiza kutushemeza watuhereza ntekateka yawe nko muntu tukongera kuganira niwe ahashongezi and of course tucine omwami Nathan Mugume kandogo abira former head teacher w'ishomero ry'amani omurimbara ngo kuyatugamba ine na consultancy firm so no muntu mulungi otusheme kubantwebuza ahashongezi nanyenda kumanya omwuga gw'abaziri twato umunsi tebekanisa trips zitwa amashomero n'ubwo
abazire cyo kubanza hariyo ikitweta funding hata amashomero ga serious munonga gakabirega eshoza ya trips gakabe gakitiro mu budgets okay kutarukushaba abazire sente separately bakitum budget so umuzire hatariho umuntu wakubiha kugira ngo tokushashura trips cost is an expenditure hamwana wawe so abazire bashemeye kubana bafundinga trips ezi kandi cyakabere bashemeye kubana bamanya wabana babona bazahi kandi ninkunda abazire ababa kandi ncyako bareba twaza kuzo mu trip shanga bazi mukasheshe kare bija yishomero bize kushabira abana babo ibyo nukosana kumanya umwana wanje naze baba pocket money in addition to the other one kongani wani ntekateka mwishomero ya serious tishime kuba ndihereza shime sente zo shoruriza abana bashime kurya bakafiringa nguruyare barya tikwetagana kushoza sente zo babahiye
okay tuchira kureba amashomero minji recently ari muziro wabayine concern ari kuja twarga kachaza trips na accidents zimunzubaho bakuja ngo amashomero n'umuntu zibura kuta home dormitories zabana kuja ngo turi abana bito kubakorara harona n'amashomero agata kwenda umaga ku blocking abazire kuba involved aho mukaja koko muzire yashachika yatuteganisa so muzira in rate yeye aine rate cha mwana ya mutira ishomero
ati omwana koko mukwasi ishomero I had a case of a parent ari behaving nkaba karamojongo I've been traveling to the areas of Karamoja by the Ministry of Education abunkweba mnonga who have given me an opportunity to travel hati nkaba Karamoja kwa kusimwana ishomero natekwa gumaho ari umwana kwiyashuma in some areas
naye akora kubi mbweno
naye akora kubi abo kuba first of all yuwetosheme ko uri umwishomero nico kurebera hatu nkoko musigazo hereze kutema hatu makesi turigera yugo musigazo hereze kutema twazaye abana twijuke ngo ariyo na other insecurity issues umuntu kweza kutaha umwishomero akayibuzabuza akaguma mumwe naye buzabuza cheza akakwata umusiyogwe akakwata ubwana nabushara kese cyo kajibura ateje yebere kunka abantu barakakuyobojo hati turyaye abana ba accident hati ibyo bibona there are issues that need to be addressed in schools so hati nyine kese yo muzire hatariyo nareto mwana hata chifwisi mu class agumana ari mu darasa nari
ndare umwana we nashomaje
no mango go muntu naine nkamento issues kandi izo mental issues ayi raptinga umwishomero n'ukura uyakwata ngo musiyo yashara abana nkabangahe kwa wasi umwana umwishomero that's it kwa nonda gumana umure ko wawo umukireki umushobuseze kwa amureta ishomero that's all ajori je kugaruka kubuzo ishomero umwana wawe kuri amurese yakashoma we are safe that's it so konka icyo kugira ngo umuzira atazo mu dormitory somewhere I don't encourage it konka abana baba humurikire for example on VDs that should be limited nkamwana muhumuruka muri leta abana banyumbasiye urebe bitanda biri spread bita konka ati wagera uti abana bija vide abaziri batahemu ejo harimo issues nahatahira muna n'umuntu umubi umuryaba bije kutaha muneba kabe yagare you can easily get even terrorists coming in, disguising and causing problems.
Okay, program ya sisimuka echebune jendo misha kiganiro chite chikwatine na trip z'amashomero kirimu nekigenda omisho mwene katsomuka mu kace ntuza kubantu garika mutagarga TV West.
The Miss Uganda 2026 journey to the crown is calling. Are you confident, intelligent, ambitious, and ready to represent the Pearl of Africa? Register now. Log on to missuganda.org. Celebrating 15 years of true Ugandan beauty. Follow the search on Star Times Makula Chika starting 31st of July every Friday to Sunday at 8 p.m. Sponsored by partner sponsors V&A Sherry, Vaseline, U-Home, 7 Days International, Evervest Malt, and the lead sponsor, Opain Uganda. Alcohol is not for sale to persons under the age of 18. Please drink responsibly.
Abitex Promotions yakuletera Ray G Life in concert. Kololo Airstrip Kampala ebero musanzu byekwezi kwa munana 2026 izoberyo riberyo kusemererwa n'umwozo witu Ray G ari turukuba tweshongorere turukuzane ndongo erukukura nenkoko rwara mpaka busesire gura Alibad ticket aha MTN momo hati aha mitware biri yonka ordinary ticket emitware 3 VIP emitware 5 emeze y'abantu bukaga miliyoni 2 y'abantu 8 miliyoni 3 zonka Ray G Live in Concert 2026.
Nehinda we bari wachirinitse yo program ya sisimuka umuhereza wawe ucine Jemima Ayebare kandi of course tucine omwami Nathan Mugume hari ahana tushobora anshunga esquatine na trip z'amashomero ayitugambira government suspending the trips says konkiwe ko twirombye bwegese kumara bwire buringwa notekateka ngwe cinchimara suspension nemara kandi n'ibintu shobora kuba no recommending ebitwakorenka long term solutions shongezi
government ikataho guidelines nyoni ntekateka nguko your trips is not a solution because abeji to ko accidents bonga ni to bakuru ko accidents the solution is to control the drivers put a system of checking vehicles mechanical conditions of the vehicles kandi no kuba training aba driver ba driver bitwa trips tizine buzubu abuko of course it remains a learning area kabiri no kugera mu mashomero gareka question sa trips as a source of income abana bakabona boneramo abuko I have seen them in fact aruha abana bonarebere kasese itwarire abana abashomesa abana aruho room ibabahiri kurara kasese primary school bakwate gufuru bakinga ho inyiciro mu abana batagira ki babaha buckets kunyaramo room yabeho jo nabikibazo kimwe bo baza kuchakara mu town hati is trips ziruma a lot good but a lot bad which needs to be controlled nitwa bashomesa n'amashomero n'abahita cyazo bagenzi banje ngere head teacher no nampumwe because once head teacher you are head teacher nawe bahita teacher bagenzi banje tubentumango abana bo bazira bakutereza we are the parents kandi we are strong parents now if around that hati ubumpumwe nindebye abana bakundetara almost every week nintunga team of students my former students parents coming to appreciate bakuretera birabo bakutira bakuretera birabo nabazire no kubansiwire umwishomero buri umwe nakumanya nimba sima bazire why because bakareba I gave all my time to their children kandi nabana nabakimanya nakabana nabaka abana babanywana banje abazire babanywana banje I gave them all the due that I had in myself kutwa nshoma Bible tuinemu kitabona kita okuruga Exodus chapter ya kabiri verse 9 uje tushome Exodus 2:9 jangu twara umwana wo gumunderere kwarukura ndiyakwebihembo
abiyawa butenje kandi ocari muno
ubwo umwana akaruga musa wayibembira Israelites from the land of the slavery so ubwo umwana abutworera tukumanya ikikuza kurugama yitonga bashomesa nta kurugama ikintu cy'amahano munonga nyesya ikikuza kuyamba ihanga kandi niwe kikakuyamba no cyakwa kitari physical kuyamba konka ni ware umwana uwashomise are successful you feel very proud.
Yes. And that of course ntomanya obwahati trips ba suspending je bituntumangu police erimune gambira bakuru b'amashomero ngo bakora televiragiro bi Ministry of Education ebiyetireho aiturugambira tukareba ijo police ka interceptinga buses zikwingana 19 zikiri mu zitwara abana mu trip regardless of the suspension window eyabireho bakugira ngo obwahati babyemerize reka amashomoga complying ukanoteka no conditions zici ningashi ebishemerire kubane bihinduro bwa hati school trips zitaka resume injerebs.
No, there are guidelines. They are
schools aware of these guidelines.
Me, I had them as a head teacher. They were sent to me by the ministry. I believe every head teacher should be having. There are more than 10 guidelines. Pre, during, and after.
Actually, no hati new vision here is always of guidelines yaziretaho koko wanogambe mitebukwatine na safety buses zichebire abana mwakoze previous abuka haro amashomero nahika mu buku yoyo nkayeta ku expecting ante oshangaho ba wasting time
the guidelines government ekakorugwayo they are very clear wayine gukora hati no kurem guidelines are put into place konka yo kujya be how trips was yaho is that enough because it is part of learning ushana waza kuhindura ebyukweka konka trips tizina buzubu kino buzubu ni abaku implementation on the side of the school authorities, on the side of the management, school management, on the side of parents, on the side of government officials like our education officers and inspectors, and also as I talk now hatu wana ugambe chintu kumayangu kama bababeni mamangu no chikora you feel strong. Yes abuka hatu bundu kugamba kama banje kwa wandeba na mamanyangu you have followed no RDCs na police no bachimanya but we have been following those procedures. Once following accident yotokaje nebasa ku jene time konka yaza kuba accident it is because of recklessness. Yes
Okay. Twareba ahacite chikwatine na technology obwa hataite umuntu tamburaho. Nogira kutwakuba twine kezi za GPS tracking systems zikatuyamba kuba safe maybe kezi za buses zirya ruguto bazita mezo tracking systems bakabana bamanya mutire route chat yo kuzakasese akamwemerira aha akamube mutashemerire kwemera chikatuyamba safety yaza school trips.
Konka who is going to track. The one who is tracking is like the policeman who is not checking on the road. The very people you are setting catch thieves themselves.
Is a thief.
There is a thief. The very person you are no manya mu Uganda tuna abantu binga bakwegujegeza. Ikintu kikarabaho hati kiri nimba narabereho. Nimba narabereho. Na for example now hati government ko yemerize trips yiwe nka headmaster no yemerero tukikireza ukakwata abantu ukabata mu basi then ukaba intercepted by police.
Kashe abazire babire bashashire se.
Kashe bashashire tukuzibagarura. Ningo ukategereza ukareba ikintu ekyagarra nkahi. Because I am sure the ministry is going to reinstate the trips. Konka after putting the guidelines. Konka butarindaho tukoreye nakajogano.
Mazima nakajogano. So obutomo bwoyinira abazire buha amidist ebebiro muno bahe bukwatine na trips. Abukatine kabazira bera hirire baja ngo wanje tarigarikayo mu trips.
Nenda ko kusima abazire abehire yo mbwegese w'abana. Abari involved mu kwegesa umwana. Ako ngo mwana nowe investment. The other day I was talking to parents at entire school. I've been their chair for PTA. Taro investment eri kuchirayo. Kuchira umwana. Echo kumita muhati nicho rusharura. Koro ugo mwana waje utato ugo mwana no wa government shono kwara yendo ukamuga. Nawe nicho rasharura. Umushongoza keshongo muchosiga chokungura. Kandi impureke shongo cyukushi. Nicyosiga cyokungura. Icyo kuba icyo kugera kusharura. So nyenda kusima abaziya baryoko. Abatiremo amani umbana babo. Batakubegekera government yonka, uka government yonka nayo. Ebyine gukora nibingi.
Nibingi.
Ko abakwemera ukajoti abana n'aba government no kurya no kwa government abantu abatokwetegereza ibintu by'abana. Abo kuba ukurya kw'abana umwana gwe yatarire yaba stunted who is going to lose? It is you the parent. Umwana muhakashera muhecho kurya muhecho kunywa aho kamashomero tiga kubasa mbara junior school tubentunga miliyoni 15 per term from the government. What will that money do? And the chichinu kugamba ichecho analysis ejo na president wito mkundwa na chimanya. You can't do anything. So what is key now? No kureba abazire batamu contribution konka bagitamu kurigirira act ninga policy ya government kugira ngo umwana should not be affected by your agreement to pay fees. So mwene bibi ya trips none nshaba twanze tutegereze tube time.
Okay.
Abadira turi abazire government yabagarze.
Okay. Atukurocheri active head teacher one organizing trips nizihezo ebintu kabitane non-negotiable safety measures ebwa kukoratera ninga shebwa ko no inda batahi babo bakoratire bataka organizing trips.
Nyowe ibyo ngabukoratera kandi hata nabo head teacher which I think I cannot be. I can never be a head teacher again. So icyo kubanza no kumanya ngo ushimeye ku organizing a trip yawe umbicweka bishatu previst yuko no kutebekansa woyi no kureba ngo police nemanyisubwa umwanya wo kuza kutaya ya no kumanya wagushikamo wagureba abana go kuza kurara reka kubaraza heru nkente icya kabiri no during visit security Elieta, safety Elieta, safety abana bagenda gender balanced. Kuba bari abana babishiki reka bagende unabacyara bari abo busho nabo still
senior men.
Senior men, even mothers can go with them because nabona bagiye kibahabura. Mwene reka kintu kukiye kubi kandi you involve the staff. Reka kwata kantu kakachiko mbantu baki.
Kakabaka
director na you involve the staff because the staff would help you. Konka strictly safety is very key.
Okay. Twashimira munonga daya isaka shishikirizo bwambo bwa muhero bwe tukendera program.
Bwambo byanje bya muhero nyenda kusima abantu mwena more especially Vision Group for having built us. In fact mukashisha kana na jamu ninja kubahereza 100 kilograms z'umuceri hakinihiro and iteka kubaho because I have supported it all through and I continue to support you because you have supported us. Cyakabiri nyenda kusima abazire abo nakozere nabo especially Mbarara Junior for 18 years hatari umuhonda no gona kandi nshobani impeza bakashara mu bakansibura nkagenda hati ndi umutawunomu kandi nyine consultance yindi gukora iyo wegese na health. I'm doing education and health because in my consultancy I have health workers, so abantu baza kutushyikirira ati Limelight consultancy Uganda kandi nesumu yanje eroho 0772 616435.
Okay.
Tomorrow I will be traveling to Eastern Uganda for the same. Bono bachenda ubuhabuzi bwingi kuchira kandi tukunu.
Okay.
So nimbasima mukama abantu sharunga abaherezo mugisha abarinde abahosingi.
Webareho mwami Nathan Mugume kutayira kasheshekeri izoba kandi kutobwenje aha way forward na safety twaza kureba ahanshongeze kwatene na triple zamashono twabento ndagumza mune kiganire ki konkabo bwire bantu mwe tukabasa none bahati tokatiza mukabumuro kache muzayibisisi no sister Charity bamwe bagarika kushemeza okusasha